Hi everyone. So let's have this one. This is what we call synthetic division. So synthetic division is utilized when we're dividing polynomials. Okay, let's have this one. Okay, when we say synthetic division, an idea is that use the numerical coefficient of the polynomial functions or polynomial expression. Another, we need to find first a synthetic divisor. And then order is important. You should be from the greatest degree to the least. Okay? Okay, let's have this example. Negative 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 6x minus 9 divided by x minus 1. So the first thing that we need to work on is to identify our divisor, which is x minus 1. Now, we need to get now our synthetic divisor, so we need to equate that by 0. So x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then solving for x, so we have now to add both hand side 1. So we have now x equal to 1, and that will be our synthetic divisor. Now, second thing to do is to check the degree order or order of degree. So check it its greatest to least. So we have now negative 2x cubed, so that's the highest degree. Second would be negative 7x squared, then 6x, and then negative 9. So the order is from 3 to 0. Okay, now we need to write now our synthetic divisor, and then we need to put this mark as a divisor or as a clue, as an area for our synthetic divisor. And then we write down the numerical coefficient. So the first one is negative 2. That is from negative 2x cubed. And then we write negative 7. That's from negative 7x squared. And then 6 from 6x, and then negative 9. So that is it. So we need to put that mark so that we need to know what to operate. First thing is to bring down negative 2. So the operation, you need to multiply negative 2 by 1. So you put your product here. So negative 7 minus 2. We need to add that so the product, so that the sum would be negative 9. So negative 9, the process will lead you to multiplying to 1. So the product, you'll write it there. So 6 plus negative 9, the answer is negative 3. So negative 3 times 1, so we have now negative 3. So adding that, negative 9 minus 3, so we have now negative 12. So we have now our quotient. So we end it by that, and we write now the quotient. So we write negative 2x squared. So you deduct 1 degree because of the x minus 1. That's 1 degree, right? So you deduct that from the 3. Okay, and then that's the numerical coefficient. Now next, we write now negative 9x because of this one. And then negative 3 going down. And then we write now negative or minus 12 over x minus 1. The 12 is our remainder. And then x minus 1 is still there. Okay? Okay, here's another example. X to the fifth minus 2x cubed plus 3 divided by x plus 1. So first thing is to identify your divisor and then equate that to 0. And then getting of the value of x. So deduct both hand side by 2. And then we have now our synthetic divisor as x as negative 2. Now, let's check now the degree order. So you have now x to the fifth as the highest. We don't have on the 4, so you have now 0x to the fourth, then negative 2x cubed, 0x squared, 0x, and then 3. So you have now a complete order from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now, we write our synthetic divisor, our mark, so that it would be isolated. Then we write the numerical coefficient from the degree order. So we have 1, 0, negative 2, 0, 0, and 3. Now, you need to write now a mark so that you'll know that you'll add this up. So first thing, you bring down 1 because 1 plus 0, it's 1. Then you multiply now 1 by negative 2. So the product is negative 2. You write that there. 0 minus 2, so you'll add that up. So 0 minus 2, that's negative 2. Multiply now negative 2 by negative 2. The product is 4. Negative 2 plus 4, the answer is 2. 2 times negative 2, the answer is negative 4. So 0 minus 4, that's negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 2, that would be 8. 0 plus 8, that would be 8. 8 times negative 2, that would be negative 16. So 3 minus 16, that's negative 13. So we will now write our quotient. But remember that the degree of your divisor is 1, so you deduct 1 from your degree. So 5 minus 1 will be 4. So we have now x to the 4th minus 2x cubed plus 2x squared minus 4x plus 8 minus 13 over x plus 2 because 13 is your remainder. So once again, the quotient is x to the 4th minus 2x cubed plus 2x squared minus 4x plus 8 minus 13 over x plus 2. I hope you learned synthetic division. Thank you for watching.